cringe TikToks. Let's get on that. Let's watch some cringe TikTok, shall we? Here's the first one. I cannot be held accountable for what's in these. I don't know what's in these. I just looked up cringe TikToks so that we can have fun and enjoy watching these terrible videos. Oh my god, it's so loud. First. Hey, 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 hey. What is this, dude? First of all, this tied around your mouth so your parents don't hear us. That's sus, first off. Because this dude right here is like 8. He's got to be 8. Mom, I'm trying to get my steez on. Trying to get my fuck on, Mom. If you move, I'll kiss you. Well, if you move, I'll kiss you. All right.
I want to see your cheeks glow red, red, red.
I like the color change. Although, like, the color change in the back was like, oh my god. The color change in the back was cool, but like, just like these people spend so much time on this, like, so much time on just doing their face for a 15-second video. I mean, do you know?
Red, red.
Like, this cool. Way to go.
Then I'm a fucking turtle, bro.
40. Pull up to the party.
Dude, I'm a fucking turtle, bro. All right.
Stop eating cows. I'm a cow. Then I'm a fucking turtle, bro.
40. Pull up to the party.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna kill me, Mr. Turtle?
Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
No.
What is this? Dude, this is some sus content.
You know what's crazy to me? I don't think people see me as kind of person. Like, I feel like people see me as like more of a
That's me. Yeah. Oh, that's not me. But like blowing bubbles, that shit slaps. 10 out of 10. Would blow bubbles all the time. Bubble blow gang. Blow me a bubble. All right, let me stop.
kind of person. You feel me?
No. Ew. Oh, it's wax. Okay. I thought her whole foot was coming off. You gonna save that? You gonna ship that? Ooh.
So I see open it like that. Oh yeah, got one hand on the phone. I feel you. Okay. Why is you eating it like that?
What? That's a good one. That's a good one. 10 out of 10. Rate that TikTok. 10 out of 10. Why is he eating it like that? It's so loud.
Come and eat my guts. I'm gonna eat your guts. I'm gonna turn them around and I'm gonna shove them down your throat.
What? What? Damn, dude, you got him. You got him. You roasted him right there. That guy's never gonna mess with you again. When he saw this thing, that's it. He's done. Gratata. Caught a body right there with the I don't know. With the hands. You got him.
I am over 18. I'm an adult, as you see. Go to.
All right, now we're just gonna. I don't know what that was. We just gotta go past that one.
I need a hug.
Ooh.
Or an orgasm. Or a hug and an orgasm.
All right, I got you.
A huggasm.
Ooh, let's go.
Oh, why I paint my fingernails? Oh, no big reason. It's just so they don't chip or break when I beat the fuck out of assholes.
Y'all better watch out. He coming. He coming to beat the fuck out of your asshole. I mean, beat the fuck out of assholes. That's what he said.
Baby doll. Look at me.
See, I just don't, like, with all these TikToks, there's so many TikToks with people just, like, making sexy to the camera. They're just like, and it's like some movie quote. It's like a Twilight quote. It's like, I'm a vampire. I'm here to vamp you. I'm going to turn you into a vampire. But it's like these people who are just like quoting these things sexily. I don't know. I don't know what's sexy about it. I don't think it's sexy. Anybody. I don't think it's sexy if anybody does it. So let me be very clear about that. Like, not a single person quoting these weird things on TikTok is sexy.
I'm going to punish you.
Yeah, all right.
To the point where you cannot remember your own damn name.
That's weird. Like, why would you want that?
And you never forget mine.
Let's go. Party rock. Pony play. That was it? That was the whole TikTok right there?
Bad boys, what are you going to do? What are you going to do when they entangle with you? You're not supposed to say like that. What's wrong?
When they entangle with you, what are you going to do? All right, that's enough. That's enough of this. Thanks for watching. Thank you for hanging out. We'll be back on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, well, I hope to have a couple friends play some Rocket League with me, or maybe some Valorant or something like that. I don't know. So we don't have to review cringe TikToks again. Or maybe you like reviewing cringe TikToks more than me playing video games, and we'll do that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here. I sit in front of a light and a camera. I got this microphone here. You tell me what you want. Till then, we chillin'. Thanks for hanging out at the Yacht Club. The smoothest stream on Twitch. Sweet Jesus.
Sweet Jesus, that's smooth.
That's smooth. All right, y'all. I'm going to catch you all later on the Flip a